the Maverick, baby. No camouflage, I spit bars. Take this time to pay homage, Roxanne Shanté. You're a star, you were, now we are. I'ma play my parts. Emotionally, I gotta admit, the excitement is gone. I just wanna sit, throw in the towel. I gotta resist, cause that be down. There are years I've put in. I don't know if I'm going. The ball is rolling slowly. I'm feeling lonely. Somebody hold me. I do this shit alone. God, no one behind me. It's because I'm queer, so they don't like me. He won't talk to me out of fear of speculations, but men are dogs with heavy temptations. 90-day rule, girl, I've got ethics. Work is work, and I don't do messy. So I bought myself a mic. Now I deliver blessings. I sprint on the track. Now niggas can catch me. Value like the diamonds on Elizabeth's neck piece. I hold my own boot camps. I turn off Netflix. I'm rolling on the floor. What words can I rhyme with? A lyrical painter. I'm painting a picture. I'm queer and quirky. I'm tackling the system. Bob your head, bitch. Flow and rhythm. I'm activated. I go and I get them. No obstructions. Cause I clear them. I grab my own broom and I quickly sleep. I'm treading in the deep. The shadows for the weak. I sometimes lose sleep. Just vibing to the beats. Just vibing to the music. Appreciating the music. Appreciate the effort. Makes me more malicious. I go ridiculous. I take it serious. I've got a different approach, slow and steady, so I stay afloat. I stay silent, I do not gloat. Those who see me will notice me by my glow. See my upgrade, notice my weight, the moves that I've made, and I've played fair, equal like a square. They downplay me cause they think I'm square, but I'm smart, bitch, and I also care, and I'll do what I gotta to get there. Cause ain't nobody holding my hand, I'm here on purpose, bitch, understand. Nobody can do what I can. I'm the Maverick, bitch. Understand? Clock it. My vision is crystal clear. I've got what it takes. Please understand that I don't need permission. I'm claiming my position. Pop, pop, pop to all my opposition. I make no threats. I just swing back. Got a tongue like a Draco. I give it my all. Cause I don't want regrets. Remember, this is my life too. I will if I want to, and I want to. I don't fall short, I stay coming through. I'll knock your socks off, I'll go through the roof. I'm in the pudding, cause I am the truth. I've learned and seen shit you can't undo. Bitch is hella ludicrous, I bitch move. No comfort, I don't sleep, I just snooze. I ain't got it like you. You got your mama and your daddy. Bitch, my fees are due. I'm at home, cannot go to school. Because them fees are due. And I'm the smartest motherfucker in the class. But it be like that. Privileges and trust funds. Oh, I ain't got it like that. It's sad. I be romanticizing my arrival. I'm not getting closer to what I'm fighting for. Not yet tangible. What am I working towards? I've been questioning what it is I'm looking for. I've come this far, I might as well step. It comes together when you least expect. I'm not a critter, never that. I see through every project. Motherfucker, press play, I wrote that. Period. In 2026, I don't give a fuck. If I feel it, I'ma spit it. I don't give a fuck. And I know bitches won't hear it. Who gives a fuck? Who? Not me. No. Who, me? Not me. What? Nothing grows under observation, so the space and time is necessary. It's good for my fruition. There's power in stillness. Stop and listen. Stop reacting. Stop the friction. Niggas are caught up in a cycle of addiction. There's more to the picture that they're depicting. Their downfalls are my motivation, cause it's one less bitch to worry about for real. It's been slow, it's been steady, but I've been peeping the time, cause I'm ready. Letlotlo's revenge. Letlotlo's revenge. If you started, I'ma finish. I'm getting even now, period.